Yo, what's good, everybody? It's Vic here. Today is Tuesday, July 21st, man. I'm coming to y'all with another trade recap. Day after just requested my payout yesterday. Yeah, got approved, and this is now the following day. Yeah, let's get into this trade recap. I'm gonna show y'all P&L. 1 second. Up. $18,108 on the day. I don't think I like the detail view. Yeah. $18,108 on the day, 7,671 across the Lucid accounts. Like I mentioned yesterday, I did get 5 Lucid accounts and 5 Topstep accounts. And yeah, we officially first day officially trading them. Yeah. And $2,774 on the day. Initially, bro, I'm only going for winning days because I only really need flip days. So it's 250. So I need to get 250 per day on Apex, but I really just pushed it to 300. So I'm risking 300 per trade. This today ended up being a $500 day, and I don't even know if I want $500 days. Because I think it might be a little bit over the consistency. Because if let's say I'm gonna explain yet more at the end regarding it, but I don't want my winning days to be too big because that's what happened last time. I totally forgot, since I'm not going for as big of a balance and I'm just going for flip days. I had ended up having like a bigger day, and that day caused me to take even longer to end up getting paid because I was above the consistency and needed to meet those requirements. So I'm only risking 300 from here on out, and it almost ended up being a 600 day per, but I'll take it. I'm grateful. Like, market just started ripping out of nowhere. I'm glad to catch the move. And yeah, let's get into this trade recap. Also, I think I'm gonna show them at the end, but I think the accounts are officially half passed. Yeah, let's get into this trade recap. So coming into today, I bro, my Wi-Fi. So coming into today, I really did not have a bias. We were bouncing between this daily fair value gap, which I wanted to see get hit previously, and this 4-hour gap. But that was when I looked at market, it was around here. But coming into market open, because we just now hit the daily fair value gap, I wanted shorts. At this point in time, we had a super big SMT with ES as well, with these highs. So initially, I take back what I said. I did want shorts coming into market open because we already were in this daily gap and we did have a huge SMT. So that is what I initially wanted to see, right? And at first I was a little bit tight because I missed this. I wanted to get in at this 1 minute inverse. This was the main one I was looking at. I really didn't care for gaps underneath us, but I was a little bit too slow to to measure out my risk, bro. There we go. I was a little bit slow to measure out my risk. I wanted to front run around something like this, 35 point stop maybe, and take it from here. But I was unable to measure out my risk fast enough. The market just ripped, right? Because from this daily fair value gap, now I would expect us to deliver to this 4-hour gap, which we low-key end up doing. But at this point in time, I do understand the draw is this 4-hour gap. But like I said before, in my mind, I've been saying this in the last couple of videos, if it's a high time frame gap, they usually require some type of resweep. That's what I'm thinking. We ended up not getting that resweep, but this is my mindset at the time. We had a failure swing as well, and we were in a 15-minute gap, right? It was this 15-minute gap been a little bit mitigated, but not really. So market came down, tapped into this 15-minute gap, and now I'm still, even though we are respecting the daily fair value gap, and this is somewhat I'm targeting back high resistance. In my opinion, we still are so bullish that I'm okay to take a stab at longs here, because I am thinking market will go back and resweep these highs to then continue lower, right? So that's my mindset. We put in these low in this 15-minute gap. As you can see here, there's no 30-second, but I hop on the 15, and I know I said I wouldn't take no more 15s, but to me this just looks good. We have internal structure, really no place to go break even, but which also means we have nothing to oppose us, right? And this was such a volatile displacement downwards that is like, okay, I think market is jumping the gun a little bit. Market went ahead of itself a little bit, so I'm expecting some type of quick rebalance. And especially, like I just said, I'm also expecting a resweep of these houses. I know we are a lot of points away for it to expect a resweep, but in my mind, I like it. Boom, this 15-second candle inversed. I don't think I entered immediately off the candle close. I wait a little bit. I start to like it even more. I'm in off of there. Stops, body close, 21-point stop, targeting this internal high. And yeah, from there it's just boom. We just rip up. At this point, I really, I saw 300. I was gonna pull, but then it started ripping. Boom. I saw 500. I'm like, dang, I don't want to be above the consistency too bad, so I pulled. So ended up being almost a 1-to-2 trade. Thank you, God. I really don't know what caused this reaction. We end up not even going to resweep, but I'm not mad at the play. I'm not sure a lot of people would have taken something like this, in my opinion. But I do like bids like this. And I think I'd always give it a try. Give it a stab. I know we are coming off this daily fair value gap with a 14-hour why did I say 14, with a 4-hour bear gap, bull gap below us, but I like the gamble. And also during this duration of trades, I do not think I'll be front running. I know I said I was low key planning on front running, but I really don't know how I feel about front running, especially when I just need flip days. Because a lot of my losses, I would have to check, but I would say majority of my losses are from front runs. That sounds bad, but I feel like a lot of my wins are off of front runs too. Yeah, front runs can fail sometimes, so that is part of the game. But yeah, that's really all for this recap. Let me pull up P&L on Tradeovate, and also let me pull up Topstep. Yeah, this was not a good market, like just range bound. I mean, we are moving to the draws, I guess, but not super clean at all. But I'll still take it. 2-0 on the week. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Yeah, let me show y'all Tradeovate. 531/550 on the day. I hope the day, I don't think it would affect our consistency, but when we start getting into the 600, 700, $800 days and more, I think that's when it's gonna start messing up with my consistency. Like I said, I only need 5 winning days at 300, which is all I'm really trying to get. So tomorrow, yeah, hopefully we could just stack 300 days, and we have 3 more days in this week. So hopefully I can finish this week off, with 4 winning days. Then hopefully we can get another payout by Monday. I really want to see if we can ever get it in really 5 days. That would be fire. Let me pull up Lucid. And on the evals, I'm so glad I got off to a good start, because usually I feel like I'm due, especially I've blown hella evals the last like month. So I do feel like I'm due to pass a new set, which is why I did get the 10. Like, I'm gonna let my balls hang, like I was saying. I'm confident. But yeah, let me show y'all these. Initially, these were at 1,700. dollars, and I'm like, dang, I really hate being, especially what happened last time. I do not like being above the consistency, so I started losing money. I did buy sell, buy sell, buy sell, buy sell, buy sell until I got these all the way down. This one is a little bit under, but I still think it should be able to pass if I have another 1500 day, and I think these should be able to pass as well. Hopefully, hopefully they're not that strict about it, because this is, come on, man, come on, Lucid. 1500 days, thank you, God. Then let me pull up the Topstep. Let me pull up the Topstep accounts, almost identical. 1500, 1500, 1500, 1500, 1500. So hopefully hopefully tomorrow's a great day. Yeah, it was 17, something like this before, so I started losing money. I did the same thing on these accounts as well, as you can see. LOL. Yeah, 1700, and try to lose money, and yeah. So thank you, God. That's really all I can say. I hope we can have great back-to-back days. What else do I gotta say? Yeah, that's really much it, bro. It's just a matter of time. Really hope we can add funding. If we can add 10 more accounts, we're setting ourselves up for a great August. I really hope we can, cause man, like, now we are officially on the road to 20. I don't think I'm gonna do payout anymore. I might do month. I'm gonna do month, because it really just matters what I make in a month, not necessarily one payout. I don't know. We're gonna see. Whatever the title of this video is, or it's not even gonna be in the title. It's gonna be in the description. No, it's gonna be in the thumbnail. But yeah, if we're able to add funding, by the time I'm paid again, those accounts should be passed and some. Because my Apex accounts need 5 days or 4 more days. I should be able to pass in 2 more days, let's say. So I have 2 more days extra. So by the time I'm paid and the accounts are reset, we're 2 days above. So let's say, I don't know. We're gonna see. Hopefully, August could be a 20/30K month. I'm gonna put that in the air now, by God's grace. I hope, let me just say 20K month. I hope August could be my first 20K month, by God's grace. Like, we'll see. We just gotta continue trading well, staying in process. Thank you, God. That's all I can say. It's just a matter of time. I've been saying it for the longest. Man. I have no words. That's all I gotta say. Hopefully we can pass these joints tomorrow. Hopefully PA is even better. We have no news the whole week, but that hasn't stopped us. Why not us, bro? Like I've been saying it. Why not us? The people we see don't got 2 heads, bro. I love y'all. We're finna be rich as shit, bro. I say this every time. We're finna be rich as shit, and I truly 100% believe that, man. Truly 100% believe that, man. It's already July 21st, man. The last 2 months have flown by. I go back to school in a month, less than a month. Yeah, and I can't wait, man. I can't wait to be back on campus. I can't wait to break the curse. I've not gotten a payout while I was on campus, so that's another thing I want to be able to. Another thing I want to break. I want to break that stigma. But yeah, let's continue the momentum. We started off July kind of rough. June was amazing for us. We started off July a little bit rough, and we're finishing strong by the grace of God. That's all I gotta say. I love y'all boys. YNU Vic out, man. We finna be rich as shit. Let's go.